Hi there! In this video, we'll learn how to wireframe a sketchy vehicle tracking mobile app for fleet management using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Let's start by dragging and dropping a mobile frame onto the canvas from the Sketchy mobile app UI kit. Then, add a status bar to make the mobile frame look more realistic. Next, we'll create a section for the profile picture and username, add a circle, insert an avatar icon from the MockFlow icon library. And include a greeting message with the user's name. Finally, just like the avatar, we'll add a notification icon inside a small circle. Moving on, let's add a section for live GPS, label it, and include a link-style text element followed by an image placeholder to represent the map view. Now we'll create a spending section. Add a rectangle for the background and insert a ready-to-use chart from the UI kit, which you can customize later. After that, let's add another section titled Upcoming Deadlines. Start with a rectangle as the background for each deadline, reuse the circle and icon from before, and include the deadline title, date, and an arrow icon. Duplicate this element to quickly create additional deadlines. Next, we'll add a bottom navigation bar from the UI kit. Begin with the first icon and label it using the MockFlow icon library. Repeat the same process for multiple menu options and customize the entire bottom navigation bar. Now, let's reuse the home screen layout to create the map navigation screen. Replace the main image using one from the MockFlow image library, add a back icon, and include a drop-down component, both of which can be customized. Let's complete the navigation screen by adding vehicle information. Create a rectangle card, place an image placeholder, then add the vehicle's name. Insert a location icon, show the vehicle's location and time duration. And finally add rating details using a star icon and text. Duplicate and replace the star icon with a navigation icon for another info card. Next, we'll design a new screen for drivers and vehicle details. Reuse the previous layout, add a back icon, a screen title, and a search icon. Then, insert a rectangle background, followed by a button bar with tabs for drivers and vehicles. Add avatar icons, driver names, locations, and star ratings, and finish with an arrow icon for each list item. Duplicate and customize the list as needed. Finally, replace all image placeholders with actual images from the MockFlow image library. You can further customize them by adding relevant icons or overlays. Also, replace the bottom navigation card's image placeholder with an icon. Make a few finishing tweaks, and that's it. You've successfully created a sketchy vehicle tracking mobile app wireframe for fleet management in MockFlow Wireframe Pro. And that's a wrap. Now go ahead and create your own mobile wireframes with ease using MockFlow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing tutorials.